there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, this is the last video in my three-part series showing you, if you are a network marketer, affiliate marketer, or a coach, three brand new, or actually one of them was a revamped tool, but the other two are totally brand new tools inside of the all-in-one digital marketing platform that I use to build my business called BUILDERALL. Now, the reason why this is so exciting is because the more tools that BUILDERALL launches, the smaller my marketing expenses at the end of the month get, and the more my profits increase inside of my business. And for any business owner, that is super exciting, because I remember when I first got started, I was stuck with the shiny tool syndrome, trying to figure out what tools I needed, what I didn't need, what did this and what did that. And BUILDERALL solves that problem. Everything you need to build a digital marketing business online is already included inside of BUILDERALL for one extremely affordable price. So whether you are looking to create your own digital marketing products, or sell your courses, or build a funnel or a website, and maybe you're already with another tool and you're like, you know what, I really want to cut down my marketing expenses so I can increase my profits, then check out this video, because you are going to be blown away, because now we also offer video hosting, which is one of the most expensive aspects of your business. If you are a video marketer, or if you do a lot of video presentations, maybe you do a lot of screen share presentations, or you're going to build a funnel and you're wondering, oh my gosh, what video hosting am I going to use? Then keep on watching, because I am going to reveal our brand new BUILDERALL video hosting that I am sure you're going to love, and is available on our premium plan. So with that being said, if you want to check out our new video hosting, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, I'm super excited because obviously I'm a YouTuber, right? I do YouTube videos. That is my main marketing strategy. And years ago, I mean, YouTube's changed a lot, okay? So years ago, you could build a funnel or a sales page, and you could embed your YouTube videos inside of a sales page and kind of, you know, double YouTube as a hosting provider. But as the years have gone by, you know, they put ads on the videos, or they put related videos at the end of the videos, and, you know, you can't remove it anymore. Back in the day, you could, with a little bit of coding, you could remove the recommended videos at the end of the video. And if you're doing a sales funnel, you know, you don't want to have your YouTube logo or the link to your video on the actual sales video. It's very unprofessional. And if you are using, like, let's say, for example, your company is hosting their videos on YouTube, then, you know, they're going to click on those links and they're going to go to your company's website. So obviously you want a third-party private hosting service so that you can create these sales videos on your sales pages. Well, what other options are out there? Well, Wistia is out there, but have you looked at Wistia? It's pretty darn pricey. It's very pricey. I ended up using Vimeo last year, but honestly, Vimeo is pretty pricey, and they are constantly getting you to upgrade. Constantly. It's like, oh, if you want this much space and you want the ability to upload this many videos per week, then you're going to have to upgrade to the next level. And what would happen is that I would be creating like a more extensive funnel, and I would realize that in order to complete this funnel, I needed to do 10 videos, and I wanted to upload all those 10 videos like right now. Well, guess what? I couldn't do that. So even if I had enough gigabytes in my plan, even if I have enough hosting space in my plan, Vimeo would not let you upload all those videos, because they were limiting you to how many you could upload in a week. So I kept on upgrading and upgrading. I think I ended up on the professional level, and it was like a little bit over $200 a year. Like, there has to be a better alternative. So then I had a friend who actually recommended Vidello, which is what I'm using right now. So I literally transferred all my videos to Vidello, and I actually like Vidello too. I was able to get a pretty good deal, but I still pay around, $25 a month, for Vidello. But what I do like about Vidello is that they allow me to select different frames. I have I could make my videos look like an Apple laptop or an Apple computer. I can integrate my branding into it and all that good stuff. So I like it better than Vimeo, right? So up until now, I've been really happy with Vidello, even though the upload speed, it takes a while, but you can upload as many videos as you want with the plan that I have, so it wasn't so bad. But then, Builderall just released their hosting. So if you are more like in the beginner stages, you definitely don't want to use YouTube, and you don't really want to use Vimeo. Well, now Builderall gives you a great option. So let's take a little tour in my back office. Let me show you the video hosting tool. So let's go check it out, guys and gals. So here we are in my Builderall dashboard, and I'm in my toolbox, and I've installed the Builderall video hosting. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And that'll bring us to the video manager. So you're going to see how simple this is, okay? So let's go ahead and click on add a new video. So I'm just going to call it testing. And then I am going to bring in a file. Okay, so now it's uploading and encoding. So here is my video. It's only a 5-second little intro, but that's it. We are good to go. It's right there, okay? So now your video is, obviously this is called testing. So now there's a few things that we can do here. We can edit the video options. We can grab the embed code, and you can also show your video statistics. So it'll show you by duration. It'll start giving you some stats. This is going to be really good for sales pages, sales funnels, lead capture page videos, etc. And then you can also view by count. Okay, so it's pretty cool, Now, of course, keep in mind that, like I was giving you an example of like Wistia. Wistia, it's pricey because it's a more advanced tool. All right, and you're going to get a lot more features. Vidello, it has, analytic features, and it has really cool frames and all that good stuff. And that's why it's the price that it is. Okay. But Builderall is a solution for those of you that don't really want to start paying for video hosting separately. You don't want to be spending $30 a month or $99 a month. It is perfect for the beginner. So this is great to get you off the ground, and for simple projects as well, right? Because everything is already included inside the premium plan, and you don't have to pay any extra other than if you go past your quota, your space quota. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on edit video options. So here's something that's really cool too. So we can go ahead and put an intro in front of this, and it's got this thing called the countdown theme. So let's go ahead and preview some of the countdown themes, which I thought was pretty cool. So you can put this in front of your video. So let's say you're, doing a course or something like that. You'll have different little videos that you can put here. Let's check out this one. Okay, and it says display title video when video is paused. I don't want to display the title, so I'm going to turn that off, okay? And then over here, I'm just going to go ahead and drop in a thumbnail. So let me go find one quickly. All right, so I've got a thumbnail in here, okay? And you can put a cover, contain, or fit. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that, okay? So we're good. Everything is done. So let me go ahead and click out of here, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the embed code. And when you look at the embed code, you have a couple of options here. So we're going to leave it on autoplay and show the controls. So let me go ahead and click on this so I can grab the iframe code, or you can just click on copy and it'll copy it to the dashboard. So I'm going to come over here, and I've already opened up a cheetah page so that you can see how we install this on a panel. And again, I'm going to go back down here, and I'm going to select the iframe because that's where we need to put the code. So let me go ahead and put that in there. All right. And then right over here, I'm going to put the iframe code. So let's click on save. Okay, and now we're going to go to preview. right, so let's do something. So now let's get out of here. Let me get out of here. Okay, so we're going to save and exit. So now we have the video on our page. So I'm going to go to the website and it's going to play again, but I want to see if it's collecting the stats. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go back to the video manager and let me go ahead and refresh. Okay, and now you'll see that we've got a little bit more stats here. It's 1.5 megabytes, the video, okay? And here are the statistics. So one person watched the video, so it's already bringing in statistics, okay? And we already have one view already. So it's pretty cool. It's already counting your stats. So for something that's very basic and simple, like for a lead capture page, a bridge page that you're already building in Builderall, it doesn't cost you any more money, and you've got all your video hosting right under one roof without having to pay any extra. Pretty cool, right? All right, guys and gals, well, how cool is that? Now, let me just remind you that the video hosting for Builderall is available on the premium level. However, it's not unlimited space, okay? Obviously, video takes a lot of space, but the cool thing about Builderall is that when you go inside of your account, you know how much disk space you are using in their system. So if you ever needed more space for video hosting, you could always increase the amount of disk space that you have inside of Builderall. I think it's like $10 or something like that a month for 10 more gigabytes. I will have it right here on the screen. So you can, stay on the premium plan, but if you need more hosting space to host your videos, all you have to do is just add it to your plan and they will bill it to you at the end of the month. But it's still way more affordable than having to use a third-party person. So you're just gonna have to see what your needs are. If you are newer to the game and you're just getting started, then the Builderall hosting option is going to be perfect for you. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that you are super excited. We have 3 robust, incredible tools, okay, that I've shown you in the last 3 videos, starting with the webinar, the newly revamped webinar streaming tool, the booking calendar, and now Builderall video hosting. And hello, it's still the same price right now, but I can't guarantee it's going to be that price for long. I mean, I'm not saying anything, but man, I feel like I should be paying a lot more for Builderall. But right now, if you get on the premium plan, you're going to be paying an incredibly affordable price for all of these amazing tools. So I highly encourage you to check it out. All right, guys and gals. Well, hopefully you are excited by all these brand new tools. If you are, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.